A Hi-Tek deep transmission pan from B&M can help lower fluid temperatures and prolong the life of your transmission. Our Hi-Tek pans are constructed from A356-T6 aluminum and feature thick external fins for additional strength and increased cooling properties. Our deep pan design increases the fluid capacity and adds nearly 4 quarts over the stock factory pan. These features work to help dissipate heat quicker, lower the operating temperatures of the transmission, transmission fluid, and corresponding components. B&M pan kits include a replacement filter, filter extension, and drain port with a magnetic drain plug for easy, mess-free servicing. We also machined an 1/8-inch MPT temperature sensor port right into the pan, in case you decide to add a temp gauge to monitor transmission temperatures while daily driving, towing, or racing. Detailed instructions, along with all the necessary hardware, make it an easy do-it-yourself job. To learn how you can outfit your Ram truck transmission with a bigger and better pan from B&M, visit us at Holley.com.